So hey everyone, be sure to use the link in the description below if you haven't already. Today we're going to be talking about how much you can actually make copy trading, spot trading, stuff like that. And that being said, be sure to smash that like and I'll keep you guys updated with more news. And what I wanted to talk about. We are going to be seeing more news about Bybit copy trading pretty much soon. So be sure to stay tuned for that as well. We're going to be also talking how much you could actually profit from Bybit trading. And you won't like this answer. I'm pretty truthful on this channel. And you just got to be at the right time, at the right place. And the best thing about these Bybit copy traders is everything is open. So you see how much they make. You can see how much the people made, like most. And for example, look at this guy. He made $17,000. He made an 8%. So his total ROI was actually just 8%, but he made $70,000, which is pretty big. And that being said, you can actually see what all the profit of the followers are. You can even see people that lost, money. So someone lost here $400, at most. But the big people that were, at the biggest traders made like 7K, 5K. And the guy, you can even see how much the guy made. Followers profit $200,000 and made himself a $50,000 profit. Pretty good, right? Pretty good, I would say. These guys know what they're doing. Profit sharing ratio, it's basically full. You can't join right now. I'm just using this guy as an example. I'm guessing he's Korean because it says KR here. These are some awesome traders. But we got to talk about this. Like, Bybit community is getting stronger. Copy trading is getting bigger. But how much can you actually make? And you can actually lose money on copy trading as well. I don't know if you do that, but it's not just easy free money, right? And the most important factor is you realize most you're going to get realistically, unless you want to kind of, risk it all, is, not more than 11%. I'm not sure if 340% in 90 days is actually sustainable. This guy is like the top number one. This guy is making 90 days, 28% profit. This guy is making 30% over 90 days and 25% over the last 25 days. So it's the biggest ROI ever. Like, look at this, 99%, 350%. Most traders will earn you 10% a month at max, guys. And going over strong, let's take a look at this, one of the biggest traders. So 1,500 followers, profit and loss is 1,500 for him. He made someone $4,000. He made, another guy $1,000, 900, 700, and he made himself a total of $300. And he has 7-day rank of number 242. So it's not all easy money, guys. And a lot of traders, they can actually lose you as well, because if it's bear market and they start shorting and then, we see a bull run, they could get liquidated. Traders with over 10% return on investment at the max drawdown of less than 20% in the last 30 days. And you can see here, I love how they added this. Intraday traders with over 20% ROI and a win rate of more than 20% in the last 7 days. Again, you can see here Nick Bard. You can see this guy getting 328% in the last 7 days. I guess he was right on all the calls. So that's like good news. But like, the top traders over here, let's say over 90 days, these guys are the top of the top. So a 90-day ROI of 540% is just unsustainable, guys. And who knows how long it can last. Especially like, look at this, 90 days follower profit and loss. This guy, made some bad trades. I think he lost, like either people left or he made some bad trades overall. So a lot of people started, shorting Bitcoin, and now that it's like with an A leverage, and now Bitcoin is going up, so that's not good news. So overall, I want to see what happens next. I'm sure this guy is not, liquidated yet, but for example, someone lost $8,000, $9,000, because they entered at the wrong rate. But it's, you have to be there at the correct time, at the correct place. It doesn't mean that he can get back. I'm just looking at random traders here. But it's really about the long term here. So you got to be a correct time, correct rate, and you got to trust the guy. You got to do a lot of research for copy trading. So yes, you can make money. Personally, I went up to 180 if I remember correctly, and then it went down to what heard $10 because the guy started longing the market, which is okay. It was just a test, and it ended up wiping me all of the profit. So 65% of the value. But be sure to smash that like button. Until next time, peace out.